Hey y'all, so today's video I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on the Kinky Straight Full Shine clip-in hair extensions. A few weeks ago they emailed me and asked if they could send me some clip-in extensions, and for those of you who don't know, clip-in extensions were probably like the second or third method of hair extensions that I tried. In fact, it was my love of clip-in extensions that actually got me on the train to fusion extensions, because I like the look that clip-in extensions give me, but I wanted it to be more permanent because it's a little time consuming in the morning to like figure out, okay, what am I going to do with my hair, how can I place the extensions, like just all of that. So I really like versatility, which is why I moved on past clip-in extensions into tape-in extensions and fusion extensions. But I do like to get back to my roots, which is of course clip-ins. I've tried some from Amazon in like a kinky straight texture, but honestly y'all, they were so crappy. They were just terrible quality, and they were super like stringy, and even though the texture was similar to this, it was just, they're horrible. Okay, they were just horrible. So I actually have extensions in the clip-in extensions in currently, so I can only show you the two pieces that I don't have in, and I have some footage of them previously that I will insert in here as well, and I'll probably try and have it pop up like as I'm doing the video. But let's go over the specs of the hair. So you get 100 grams and you get 7 pieces. You get a 4-clip weft, which is this one here. You get 2 3-clip wefts, which I have in my head, and then you get 4 2-clip wefts, which is this one here. Now I don't know if you guys can see or not, but it is double stacked, so it's 2 pieces, is double wefted. That's the word I'm looking for, which I really appreciate, because honestly, if you have kinky straight hair, chances are it's really thick, and so the fact that they were smart enough to double weft the hair, and that way you get twice as much hair per clip, really to me is just like the smartest thing ever. Because listen, my hair is thick and I want it to be long, so 1 pack of hair definitely will do a whole head. In fact, as I told you guys, like I only have in 5 of the clips currently, and I have a really nice hairstyle going on currently. Now it is in a ponytail, so obviously there's that, but if I wanted to do a full hairstyle, I could definitely do it. And I did it the first night that I got them. I actually installed them, wore them out, and I just did like a braid up hairstyle. I'll try and put a picture in, and the hair looked so good. Like somebody came up to me and was just like, your hair is getting so long, and I'm just like, thank you, yes it is. So specs of the hair, I don't know if I did that yet or not, but so you do get, it's called Kinky Straight Clip-In Extensions, and I will leave the link down below to them directly. But you get 7 pieces, 100 grams of natural hair, and it's 100 grams regardless of what length you get. So you can go from 10 inches down to 22 inches, and they come in natural black. Alright, so I actually think I want to dye these, or at least ombre the ends, just to kind of, you know, get them more in like a summer vibe, because I'm really just feeling some color. And I think with clip-ins is a great way to, if you're on the fence about fusion extensions, or you just haven't really gotten to that level yet, I think the clip-in extensions are a great way to kind of start the process of, you know, do I like having longer hair? Because a lot of people think, oh, let me get extensions, and then you realize it's a lot of work and they just don't want to do it. So I would say start with clip-in extensions, and these are definitely a good starter pack. I would recommend them 100%, 10 times over. Alright, so basically what happens is the hair comes in a box that looks like this. It looks just like the box that they send their tape-in extensions in, and then you also get a white sleeve and a clear plastic bag that tells you what the inches are that the hair is. I would recommend keeping the box to store your extensions when you're not using them. For me, I kind of just throw mine on my dresser because I know I'm going to be putting them in the next day. But, you know, do better than me, okay? Do so much better than me, because you want to prolong the length of the extension wear life, the shelf life. I don't know. Y'all know what I'm trying to say, though. You want to prolong that. So I would definitely say store yours in the box, because you definitely don't want to be having them get caught on fire or something weird. Yeah, So the pros and cons of clip-in extensions would definitely be versatility is a pro and a con. And the reason I listed it as a con is because with clip-in extensions, you do have to take them out and clip them in pretty much, not necessarily every day, but like to mix up your style, you have to take the time to like decide on a style, figure out, okay, where do I need to sit the wefts at? Like, it's just, it can be a pain. I will say it can be a pain to do that. And if you are on the go like me, or you just can't be bothered with trying to figure out what style you want to go with today, or you just always like to wear hair ponytails like myself, then you would probably move on past clip-in extensions pretty quickly. But if you're somebody that doesn't really like commitment, or you've never tried extensions at all, I would definitely recommend going with some clip-in extensions first, because if you can't handle clip-in extensions, then going past them to fusion extensions definitely is not going to be recommended. I would not recommend it to anybody personally. Another pro that I have for these are that they are affordable and they are really well made. One con I will say is that they are a little thin at the end. So this is, like I said, the 18-inch hair, and when I put them in the first night, I put all of them in. I think I had all of them in. Could I fit them all in? I kind of have a small head, so it's also a little hard for me to fit everything in. When I was younger, I used to customize my own hair extensions because, like I said, I got a small head, so I would know like how many little 1-inch pieces to make, how many big pieces go in back. So I would do all of that. But with these, anyways, I'm getting off topic. So with these, the only con I have is that they are a little thin at the end. So if you want to do a trick that I learned, from my sister actually, is that she will normally order longer than what she wants it to be, and then cut the ends off if they are a little bit wispier. So for me, I would probably order like a 20-inch and then cut them so that my 18-inch would be full like the whole way through. So it does taper off a little down at the end. It's not like horrible, it's just for me, I like to be full the whole way down. I didn't see this in their taping extension, so I'm thinking it may just be in the clip-ins. And because it's not as much hair as the taping extensions, maybe that's another reason. But overall, the quality of the hair is good. It does not tangle. It doesn't, no, it did shed like 3 strands when I first got them, but other than that, I haven't had any shedding, no tangling. The clips are really solid. They don't slip out. I don't have issues with them not wanting to clip in my head like I've had with previous types. Like, y'all, I've been through it with some clip-in extensions, okay? Because like I said, they were my first love. They were the first things that I ever turned to when I started with the whole like versatile extensions. Because before, you know, we did the glue-in track. Like, y'all, I could make a video just on my hair journey, but we're not going into that today. We're just talking about clip-in extensions. Okay, so they did give me a coupon code. If you use the code FS08, and I will put that on the screen. I'll also put it down in the description box, and I will link it down in a pinned comment. But basically, you get 8% off if you decide to use the code. I get no kickbacks from this whatsoever. They're just happy that you guys are checking out their website, and since it's coming through my through my YouTube channel, they wanted to let me know to tell y'all, use the code, save 8% on your total purchase. I'm definitely going to be using it personally so that I can get some more taping extensions, because your girl got to be looking right for the summertime. So, you know, I might even get some color. I don't know. Anyways, I'm getting off topic, so I know that's definitely time for me to go. If you guys have any questions, please leave them down in the comment section, and like this video so that I know to keep doing hair videos for y'all. And do I have anything else? I don't think so. So I will see you guys in my next video.